So why did I make this Minecraft desk? And for who did I make it for? Well, that's a terrific question. I handcrafted this desk for the children at Astor Services. Astor Services is a non-profit organization that strives to provide children and families a place to understand and cope with behavioral and emotional problems. They have a building located in Rhinebeck, New York, and is in need of a renovation. I first heard about the Adopt a Room program from actors Hilary Burton and Jeffrey Dean Morgan, who also live in the Rhinebeck area. They have been doing so much in helping raise money for this charity. They even started an event called Ghost Stories. I have links in the description below for Astor Services, the Adopt a Room program, and Ghost Stories. So that being said, I decided to make something for the kids that would hopefully help brighten their day. So my background in furniture making, and having 4 kids of my own that are obsessed with Minecraft, figured it would be a perfect fit to build a one-of-a-kind, Minecraft-inspired computer desk. I really enjoy building something that I haven't seen before, and that makes kids smile. I reached out to Jeffrey Dean Morgan on Twitter to let him know my idea. He wrote back, he seemed to be okay with it. Then after getting in touch with Astor Services to let him know, hey, I'm bringing you guys a computer desk, and it was on. So here you see me building the sword. This was probably one of my favorite parts of the whole build. I replicated the sword to scale. Each pixel is exactly placed the way it is in the video game. So each one of these squares measured about 3 inches by 3 inches. I cut out each part and randomly scattered them throughout the piece to make it look as if it's pixelated, just like in the video game. Now because the laminate is all different thicknesses and different finishes, I decided to encapsulate the whole project with epoxy. 2-part epoxy is a really nice finish, mirror-like finish. It gives the desk a very, very dimensional feel. So the only thing left after fabricating this Minecraft desk was to deliver it. So my wife and I jumped in the car, loaded up the piece, and took off. We live in Chicago and headed on our way to New York.